Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siya.
Guys, it's so crazy how even Judge Rata has believed this craziness and these lies from Brigadier Bongani Kininde. To this day, Uratanaye, Upila in this illusion. I'm just like, Umutajadlo, you can't see these are lies and just rubbish this thing off and be like, please, can you just stop with this? Why are we lying? But I guess now he's at work. Like I said, chances are he's also getting something. Urat. Besides, he's getting paid by UJP, the judge president, plus our tax man is also paying him at 80 years old. Plus, we are told something. Otherwise, why would you want to come there at 80 years old, guys? Who even does that to themselves? Although we don't know his age anymore, because Urata last year, he said he was 79 years old. 2 months ago, he said he's 78. I was just like, I'm done. Why are you even telling us the truth anymore about your age? We don't know anymore how old is Rata, guys. I mean, I don't. Because in December, I said in 2025, he must go home now. He's going to be 80 next year, meaning this year, 2026. He came back. He's coming back again, next week, Monday. He doesn't mind, Urat. He doesn't even give two hoots what we think about him. And every time, all these people that I'm still trying to talk about, Uguti, Brigadier Kininde blamed just about anyone that was inside, Uguti, okay, Fisogutle. Akamamanga Fisogutle was actually arrested by his team when Fisogutle was not arrested by Kininde's team, guys. Fisogutle was already incarcerated. He wasn't arrested by Brigadier Kininde, guys. He chose anyone and everyone. He thought, okay, it's gonna work. Makosonke, Zamogutle at some stage was suing the state. I don't know what happened to that. Oh, a lot of people, guys, we counted in this case. 5 people came in at Kelly's house. No one came in that house, guys. Please. Why are we doing this? We're gonna do it until when? Until the 26th of October, which is 12 years after Senzo May was passing. What are you even doing? Ogubon. In that whole entanglement, he included Nofiso Kutlewati. Vele is giving Vele was a killed. How you guys? What's our time? He had a lot of things Ufiso Kutle going on that time. Because you know how Ufiso Kutle has been dubbed as someone who is actually a serious assassin. I'm going to put it that way, guys, like in the movies, literally. Uyinkabilizer of the Nkabilizers. Even Gishupegi Tel, where se Viga Ngai, they at ad hoc. Nje, please, lawyer, baby Asolama Bailey, aphumbele ngaphandle, so that he can actually analyze people for high-ranking people. Who are those people? We've established that, guys, and we've moved on from Fisogutle's situation, right? But he did not analyze Senzo Mayo. Umshololo is there, like I said, it's sometimes joke about it, and it's actually not a joke. Uguti, uyidlela nje imali legal aid umshololo. And at some stage, there was a rumor that they actually parting ways. I'm like, they're still together though. Umshololo no Fisogutle. 6 years on, they're still together. Gobi Fisogutle is just like, you know what, I don't care vele mhlambe ngizobolela ejele for the rest of my life, but I never analyzed Senzo Mayo. So my thing in this video is Brigadier Bongani Kininde wayichuza nombani noma ubani. And somehow I even believe ukuthi mhlambe he was even working with correctional services khona koqala kabusha, just to say, okay, ubani is lapho, who can we nab and be like, naye lo uphakathi inside waye khona lapha kaSenzo Mayo, guys. And then akhona ubopha abantu in 2020, or couldn't you just arrest them in 2014 in December mhlambe at least, And if Fisogutle has repeatedly said, I was not near that house. Yes, we left our flats in Johannesburg. We went to GP Hostel. We went to Katlehong, which is not far from Vosloorus, but we were not in Vosloorus. Finally, abo ukuthi uyazana no Zungu, azana no Makosonke. Yay! noqiniselani yamazi like fanele azane nawo wonke umuntu in this world literally so that it puts him or pings his cell phone around for Sorasi yebo wayekakheli kumali inside phakathi. Guys, he was not there. You know, I've always said over the years, it's so crazy how they said they came into the house and then they ran to the park after that. But they never came out of the park. I've always said that. I'm just like, Nikuluman, the Google Kininda guys. Oh my gosh. I actually picture him in jail. Literally. I picture him in jail. You guys have always said you cannot mess up with so many people's lives. 5 people times how many times? Because there's families involved. Abashwabulayo every day. Wena kininda wabophisa ingane zethu singenza nganext. Baba kantanzi unjani nje mina noma kantanzi. Just think about it because he was a breadwinner. Just nje picture it. Guys, those are crazy things. How do you even get off? How do you even sleep at night? You know?